Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel we'll be getting beautiful hairstyles ideas and inspiration, and even fashion styles ideas and inspiration. And please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video or fashion style trendy video that are trendy in 2024. To my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful haircut styles that are trendy for guys. I'm not just here for the ladies, I'm also here for the guys. So you're welcome to the family. Please, this hairstyle is so beautiful, they're so unique. I would love you watch this video to the end. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.